The Level Up Lab is an amazing opportunity for Roland to collaborate with designers and creators, showcasing not only our product range but also the solutions that we can offer.
For us as a business, it's about learning more about them, their workflow, their patterns of business, and thinking more broadly about how we can support them, not just with their print processes, but much more than that as well, to really maximise their business and give them an opportunity to grow.
My favourite thing about the Level Up Lab has been just seeing the opportunities and the scalability that these printers can actually offer us. We can do stickers, we can do art prints, canvases, all sorts of things, so I'm very excited about the opportunities.
It's pretty hard to sum up everything I've learned today because you guys have opened up me to a whole new world. Definitely, I can't wait to take the next step.
I've made this t-shirt which is based on my Good for the Soul print. I feel like it's come out great because I really wasn't expecting all the dots and like the little cheeks and the text to come out as clear as they have.
I was pretty surprised about the possibilities, about volume, different type of applications, different materials, which that's kind of exciting.
I've made this amazing tote bag. It's with my favorite characters from Nana, the manga. I really love how they turn it out because it's so vibrant.
It was so wonderful to see how bright and colorful prints you can create. Important for me as a small business owner and artist to see all the opportunities to create my products and bring them out into the world.